Real-time feedback loops turn fast learning from hope into results by turning every study session into a quick corrective sprint. Boyan, a software engineer, used weekly peer quizzes to cut coding interview prep time by half and nail recalls under pressure. In this method, the learner designs 4 brief quizzes with peers and reviews mistakes allowed within 10 minutes. The key is immediate correction, pairing concrete targets with strict time limits and short reflection sessions. The result is sharper recall, faster problem solving, and measurable gains that compound rapidly.